Good morning. A long time no see. It is 3:15. It is Wednesday, January 12th. If you hear little pitter-patter feet, it is the dog. It's his breakfast time because I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Today is going to be my 3:30 a.m. morning routine. I'm going to take you guys with me to show you basically what I do before I go to work. It is currently 3:16, so we have a lot to do in a little bit of time. We only have 4 hours, and I have on sweatpants because it is freezing outside, like freezing. I don't have my watch on. All right, we got our watch, and then here's Tuda. You want to say good morning? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, baby man, baby, still, be still. Okay. Say stop. Say good morning. Stop. Say good morning, everyone. It's my breakfast time. Say it's my breakfast time and I got to eat. Sit. Good boy. Sit. I have on some sweatpants I got from Pretty Little Thing. If you watch any of my winter workout videos, I wear these pants a lot just because they're easy to throw on. They go with everything that I put on. Sports bra. And then I have on the Alphalete. It's like, looks very weird. Hold on. Alphalete. Alphalete. What do I have on? Alphalete. Got it. Alphalete Amplify shorts. This is in a medium, not a small. But I really don't prefer the small over the medium. They both fit fine. The small is a little shorter than the medium, if you're wondering. But other than that, it really is no difference. Same amount of compression, maybe a little bit more, like a little bit more in the smalls, but they are a little shorter. But yeah, that's my outfit of the day. Oh, and shoes. Converse, they're super dirty. Don't judge my Converse. I've had these, I don't even know, since I moved to Tennessee in April, so it'll be a year soon. So I really need to buy new shoes because these are a little wonky. And then you guys, my water bottle, isn't she cute? My best friend got me a Hydro Flask for Christmas, and I just have all these little like stickers all over it. I know. Okay, let's get our energy drink and let's go my little chili peppers because we're running behind, okay? We're running behind. Y'all, I do this every morning. Ow! I do this every morning where I get in the car and I don't have the car on just because my car isn't parked by the door. So I never come outside to cut it on, and it is freezing in here. It is freezing. It is 30 degrees in the car. 30 degrees. I'm freezing cold. I'm like kind of giving it a chance to let the heat heat up because your girl needs a little bit of heat. I'm actually kind of early leaving the house. I usually don't get to the gym until like 3:45, and yeah, I have seen the request for a sit-down video, and that is going to be our next video, my little peppers, so don't worry about that. It is definitely coming up. Literally, it'll be the next video right after this video. I promise I'm going to film it this weekend, so I got you. I was going to talk about some of those things that have been happening in this video, but I figured, why would I do that when this is not the type of video? I do this every morning. Like when my sister, honestly, speaking of my sister, she's supposed to be here with me, and she decided that she wanted to sit in the bed. She didn't want to come. She can't make it. She's too sore. The workout is killing her. We started doing the Daisy B workout guide all over again. I don't remember which one I bought. I'll check my email and I'll pop it up on the screen to let you know which one I bought. I can't remember. Well, my sister was like, she can't do it. She's been stretching. She's in pain. She's not coming. So I'm just trying to find something to talk to you about. Oh, also, if you notice that like there's a lot more headspace, maybe something looks different. If you're that much of a stalker, I love you as well. No, I'm just kidding. I do have a different car. So I was in a car wreck on Christmas Eve. And yeah, my little baby is she's a little messed up. So I'm driving a rental right now, and so it gives me a lot more headspace while you have a little bit more light. That's also why I'm filming in the car, because usually in my little Honda, baby, she not getting no light. She like real low, and there's never any light that bounces back. And yeah, so everybody is fine. My sister, me, blah, 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 the other party, everyone's fine. We're just hoping she can be fixed right now. I don't know if she's totaled or not. I hope not, because that was my baby, but we shall see. That has something to do with the fact that like I just go MIA. I know you guys are gonna be like, MIA? You always go MIA. And I'm like, you guys, okay? I need you to listen. I need you to listen very closely. If something in my life is happening and it's stressing me out, you're not gonna get good quality. Like, I'm just gonna be super honest. You're not gonna get thorough reviews. You're not gonna get personality. You're gonna get, I don't really wanna do this. But yeah, it's just gonna be a process, and I'm working on being more consistent. I'll be consistent for a little bit, and then things happen, and then I I don't have the energy. And I'm working on that more in this year of 2022 or 222 as people are saying. I don't even know what that means, whatever. But yeah, you guys, I don't know. When something's happening in my life and I just can't figure out a solution for it, I kind of like shut down until I can kind of figure it out. I just feel like I want to give my all in every part of my life. And so if I'm not giving my all in every single part of my life, then I just don't do it. I just would rather that be the case. So I've seen people unfollow. That is fine. I don't want you to be a part of the fam if you really don't want to be here. If you're just here for gimmicky videos or hauls all the time, like that's not all this channel is going to be. I will start posting on our feed on YouTube. So now that we have a certain amount of subscribers, we now have a feed where I can post telling you what's going on, where the video may be, or if the video's coming up now, late, blah, blah, blah. I can give you like little snippets, early access. I can start writing on there just to kind of keep you updated on what's going on. So if you have any questions about where the videos are, if anything's happening, I will put it on the feed. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, sticking part of the fam. Thank you guys for just giving me the grace to kind of figure out life with you. I know that it's kind of hard sometimes when I goes for a couple months, but yeah, that's just really what that is. It's just things happen. Okay, you guys, I'm just rambling because the car is trying to heat up, but I'm about to head to the gym and I will see you guys when we get there. And yeah. Okay, so we are at the gym. When we go inside, the gym is probably gonna have their music playing, so it's gonna be super loud in there. So talking may be a minimal, but I'll go ahead and look and see what our moves are for the day. I'll try to record them as best that I can just because why not? But I have a hip thrust, sumo deadlift, good mornings, leg curls, back extension, banded squat, and lateral kick. And then I have a band circuit. And that is it for today. So it seems pretty easy, but once you get in there, she gives you like 4 sets of 12 of everything, and then you're struggling. And I always like foam roll and stuff when I first get in there. So yeah, I just kind of take my time and do whatever I want, but I need to be to work early today, so I need to hurry it up, you know? So let's go ahead and go inside, get this workout done. And yeah, if I can talk, I will talk. You guys, I really hate when I come to the gym and other people want to come to the gym at the same time as me. Like, who would have thought, right? Who would have thought? Like, why are you here? It's 3:52 in the morning. Why are you here? I got my little straws to put in my drink. And yes, I have 2 for those looking and like, why do you have 2 straws? Because why wouldn't you have 2 straws? Okay, I have everything, I think. All right, let's roll, babes. I'm in a little bit of shock because it is freezing cold outside and I don't want to get out of the car. I don't want to get out of the car. You guys, I don't know if you can hear me because the music is playing. This, delicious. It tastes very similar to blue slush, but it's cherry, and I hate cherry. This is delicious. That was literally the first set. I'm already dying. My heart rate was at 153. You guys, this cherry slush is delicious. Time to do my next set. Pray for me, please. Also, I have started to wear a belt. This belt comes from the gym, but wearing a belt is so much better for support in your back, keeping a strong core, just for form overall. I'm really getting into being more careful with my form. I want to get like knee sleeves, and I have wrist straps, or I use my wrist straps now. And then now we're gonna get a belt. This is just, again, the gym's belt, but I'm gonna buy my own. But you guys, major game changer for squats and deadlifts. Just saying.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I feel like that moved really well. I have 2 more sets of this, 2 sets of 12 left. And then I have hip thrust, so I'll talk to you guys when I get to the hip thrust. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do hip thrust. On the bar, it's the same thing that was on there for deadlifts. I'm just gonna see where I am with that. Again, 4 sets of 12. There should be 70 pounds on the bar, roughly 69, 70 pounds. So I'm gonna do that first for hip thrust, and if I can do more, then I'll just add it on. I'll let you guys watch me, and yeah.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're...
All right, so we have made it to Starbucks, and the camera may die while I'm ordering, you guys. I don't know, because I literally have 1 bar left. I'm hoping it doesn't die.
Thanks for visiting Starbucks. Excuse me just a sec.
Okay, no problem. Hi, can I get 3 shots of espresso on ice in a venti cup? And can I add 3 pumps of the brown sugar syrup and then 3 pumps of the sugar cookie syrup?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, and can I get extra ice? And that's all.
Yeah, absolutely. I can do extra ice for you. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all for me.
All right, give me just 1 second to ring in the extra ice part, and then
Okay.
we'll have your hold it on through the window.
All right, thank you. You guys, I feel like I low-key miss working at Starbucks. Now that I work for the court, I miss it. I miss it. It was just nice to talk to people and make their day with coffee, because I know my day is made when I get coffee. I'm doing the 21-day fast for the beginning of the year. A lot of people are doing it now, and I'm struggling. I cut out rap music, all kind of music besides gospel and country, and working out in the gym is so hard. Thank you so much. You have a great day. And working out in the gym is so hard without my rap music, but I've discovered Christian rap, and it is amazing. You guys, if you don't know, you'll know. I'll list some of the songs that I played while I was at the gym in the description box, and I will see you guys when I get to the house, because the battery is flashing and it's gonna die. Okay, I'll see you when we get to the house. Bye. Bye. Okay, so. And the drink again that I ordered is a triple shot of espresso on ice, add brown sugar, add the ice sugar cookie latte syrup, and then I'm gonna add a vanilla protein shake, just because I'm really lazy and I don't feel like making protein, because I have protein back here on the counter. Your girl's not making all that. All right, here is a live taste test, just so you guys know this is actually good. I had this the other day and it was delicious and I loved it so much. And I actually drank more coffee than I usually would. I feel like it looks so much better before you stir it, like the aesthetic of like the milk and the coffee. It's so cute. I prefer that over this, but I don't want to drink straight coffee, so. That's perfection, perfection. And a perfect way to get your coffee, and if you know coffee, no, and a perfect way to get your protein, and if you know you love coffee, mix it in there. So instead of getting milk at Starbucks, just add your protein shake as your milk. You're welcome. You're welcome. So we're getting ready for work. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, my little chili peppers.